Hi guys, we are at 12th Avenue and Valencia Road. This button's junk. It doesn't work. Well, it did work for a few seconds. I'll show you the clip. Or unless I can try to get this button to work. Oh, that didn't work. It stopped working there too. This thing doesn't work as... This thing is pretty poor. I want to hear the walk sign is on sequence. It never works here. This thing doesn't even work. Yeah, junky button. It's even tightened up pretty hard. It did beep for a bit. You know what? I'll show you the clip on the last one. Oh. There we go. Now it's working. I think every time I keep pressing it, it'll stay on longer. It stopped working. That's probably the cue that says that walk sign is on. Alright, I'll try this one right here. But that doesn't work either. Piece of junk. Wait, what's this little metal thing doing around here? Piece of junk. Oh, the walk sign did go off after all. It just didn't start working until that... Boo! That doesn't work at all. Okay, now that one decides to go on. Only these chirp. Too bad these don't work at all. Wow. This is disappointing. It's probably gonna go off any second. Yep. That's it.